Hey, it's Latoya Watts, also known as LT, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to post an ad in all cities. Right, this is part 2. If you watched the first video, I basically explained to you a little bit about QwikAd, when it came about, and the different places where you can post. I also showed you how to post a free ad. Okay, so again, if you're going to be posting multiple ads using this particular site, it's highly suggested to create an account using your email and also confirming your email, so that way you can go back into your site and manage your ads at any time. Okay, your ads, once they are placed, are active for 60 days. So that's the power in using this particular site. You don't have to worry about spending a ton of money to get your ads seen online when you're out marketing um, your different businesses and your opportunities. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to log into my account here. Alright, alright, cool. So I am logged into my account. As you can see, I am still from the previous ad in this particular region here, Birmingham, Alabama. Okay, but you can change your location at any time. Okay, so let's just click on post in all cities. Alright, so you can post in all cities worldwide. Alright, and it tells you here all cities worldwide is 1,070 cities. Alright, how powerful is that, to place one advertisement and it goes out virally to 1,070 cities? Alright, you guys, your ad will be active for 60 days. Alright, and the price to do this is $5. Alright, so I love using this particular site here because it just gets your business seen by the masses, especially when you're on a budget, right? So I know a lot of us network marketers, digital marketers, we are into income opportunities. So that's more than likely where we will be posting, okay? But as you can see, you can post in any of these areas. So if you're watching my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you can receive notifications for when I post new videos, updates, tips, and training strategies that you can use in your business. All right, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So you have income opportunities, local life, services, pets and animals, real estate, jobs, automotive, for sale, my web pages, wanted ads. So this particular site honestly is a lot more affordable than Craigslist. If you're posting ads over there, this is a more cost efficient route to go, just my personal opinion. So I'm just throwing it out there for those of you who had no idea about QwikAd.com. Alright, so once you click post in all cities, boom, you're going to choose a category, and I'm just going to click on income ops. Alright, more than likely, if you're looking for a way to post ads for 30-day success formula, six-figure stamp club, anything like that, they are both offline programs. Let me just tell you, those are offline direct mail programs, but people are choosing to go online to promote they're going online to promote the opportunity and share it with the masses. So that's why has been brought online, so that they can 10 times their income and their earning potential. So you don't have to market online if you don't want to. I'm just showing you different strategies should you choose to get into any of these programs and you don't know where to start. Just giving you a few options on what you can do to hit the ground running in your business. Alright, so you want to click on work from home jobs if you're wanting to post that particular advertisement for a 30-day success formula, or you can even click on business opportunities. Okay, so let's just click on business opportunities. All right, again, you can create a title here. You're going to create an ad description. Okay, you can preview your ad here. Alright, so you can really just keep it simple if you like. Again, you can hit the hyperlink. They also give you the option to insert an image, a clickable image, or a video. So this website gives you a ton of options. Alright, see how it just made that bold? You can always preview your description of what your ad is going to look like before you send it out. Alright, you can also insert your hyperlink. And I hope this is just giving you an idea on what you should be posting for your advertisements. Okay, so it looks like this. I've made it bold so that it can stand out. I've added a description and a call to action. Alright, so then they click on the link and it goes to your website, which you should have it tied to a capture page so that you collect names and emails. Okay, so that way you can follow up with your potential leads, who will then turn into your prospects, which ultimately will turn into sales for you. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. When you're out posting your advertisements, make sure you have everything set up, right? So you can either show your email with your ad, you can hide it if you don't want to be contacted by email, or you can just hide it completely. Okay, it's up to you, it's optional. All right, all of this information is optional. All right, you can enter your phone number, your contact name, or the company name is all optional. Just kind of test it, you guys, and see what works for you. You can upload up to 10 images here. Okay, and it shows you for 60 days. You just check this box here, $5 US, okay? And it's going to regularly post the ad you just created in 1,070 cities, okay? Your ad will show in every city worldwide, okay? And it shows you right here that you can use PayPal, Stripe, and they both are secure payments for you to pay for your ad, okay? And to add a feature option, meaning when someone logs into the site, your ad will be placed up front with this feature sign. Just for $9, you can click here to do so. And it lets you know that your ad will show in the home page slider in every city, okay? And feature ads come up first in search results. Feature ads receive considerably more visits. So think about that when you're trying to stay on a budget, placing your ads, okay? Um, to regularly post your ad, you have a $5 option to be shown in 1,070 cities worldwide, or you can add a featured sign for a few dollars more, okay? This is optional to promote your ad to the top of the listings and home pages of every slider every 5 days, $3. Or if you want to post it as urgent with an urgent sign on your ad, so you know that catches their attention, um, you can pay an additional $3 with your $5. Okay, so as you can see, the power in this. All right, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Once you click continue, it will let you know that your ad is now live and active. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and I will see you all on the next video.